Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HubSpot for inbound marketing, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with configuring HubSpot for inbound marketing, first, log in to your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the marketing section on the main dashboard. Click on the Campaigns tab to create a new marketing campaign. In the Campaigns section, select Create Campaign and name your campaign appropriately. Next, set the campaign type to align with your inbound marketing goals. After naming your campaign, move to the Assets tab within the campaign setup. Here, you will have the option to add various assets like emails, landing pages, and blogs. Start by creating a landing page that is specifically designed to convert visitors. Choose a template from the available options that fits your branding. Customize the template by adding your logo, colors, and fonts to ensure brand consistency. Add compelling copy and a clear call to action to guide users toward a conversion goal. Next, create a contact form to capture leads from your landing page. Integrate the form into your landing page, ensuring it's easy to fill out. Now, head over to the email section to create an email campaign that aligns with your inbound strategy. Select Create Email and choose the type of email you want to send. Similar to your landing page, customize the email with branding and engaging content. Include links to the landing page you created to direct traffic for conversions. After crafting your email, set the recipients based on your target audience. Review your email and landing page for consistency in messaging and design. Once everything looks good, schedule the email to send at a strategic time. Now, move on to the Analytics section to set up tracking for your campaign's performance. Ensure that you have tracking parameters set up on your links for better insights. Regularly review your analytics dashboard to monitor key metrics like open rates and conversion rates. Adjust your strategies based on the data you collect to improve future campaigns. Finally, engage with leads and contacts through the CRM features to nurture relationships. With these steps completed, your HubSpot is now configured for inbound marketing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.